Welcome to Beechwood Cottage. This is going to be a quick demo on how to work the Roku television and how to watch local TV channels using the AirTV app. If you just begin by turning on the power button on the TV, you'll notice that the screen comes up and you've got a lot of options there in front of you. Now, many of the things that you'll see are some cable channels, Hallmark, Fox, ESPN, A&E, networks. You can watch on-demand content. And then down at the bottom we have streaming services, HBO, Hulu, Amazon Prime, Netflix. You can log in with your own passwords and watch streaming content on there as well. But for local TV or over-the-air television, we use the AirTV app. It looks like this. Navigation on the TV is accomplished with this remote. The sound volume is on the right side, up and down and mute, and most of the navigation occurs with this purple cross. So if we want to move from the home button to one of the apps, one of the channels, you would just navigate by clicking one button to the right. I moved it over to AirTV, and now I'm going to select OK, the middle button right there, and that will bring up AirTV local channels.
Kind of center it on the knife right there, and then just give it a good whack. Here it starts to break.
Now I muted it for us there, but so the channels will come on, and there's a guide and interactive menu. You can select the channels you want to watch. Accessing the guide is again used with the purple cross, and we've got the up and down, and then left and right, and then of course, as with everything else, selecting OK will choose the channel that you want. So to access the guide, I simply push up on the arrow, and the channels will come up, and then I can navigate all the way through each of them, and it'll show you what's on each channel, not only now but in the coming couple of hours. If you want to see what is on right now on all the channels, you go all the way to the left to the button that says On Now, and then you would use this down button to come in there, and we're going to navigate across each of the channels. If you're not from the area, there's ABC, NBC, a whole bunch of additional channels, PBS, and so on. So you can scroll across here. If you see something you're interested in, push the OK button. It'll tell you what the program's about. If you don't want to watch that, you just come up here to this back arrow, and you can come back in and navigate again until you find what you're looking for. And when you find what you want, you just push OK, and it'll take you right to that channel. The main things to remember when using AirTV or most of the apps on the Roku TV are that most of the controls are done from here and the back arrow. And if you get kind of, till you get a feel for it, sometimes you might just hit the home button. When you hit home, it takes you right back to the Roku Home, which is where all of the various channel apps are located. So just remember, AirTV is local television, and all these other ones, various things are on demand, some things are live streaming, and you have a whole bunch of choices. Enjoy! Thanks for coming to Beechwood Cottage.